Someone depends upon a desk along with a piece of paper. The paper is waiting for a poem to appear on its lines. I was inspired to write this because I like poems. I have converted this through free verse. I chose this word paper because you can do pretty much everything with a sheet of paper. I chose this phrase, so much depends upon me, because I am inspired by William Carlos Williams. I chose this picture because it helps you imagine a blank piece of paper.
Dirty, wet, fun and racing, aluminum and plastic casing, gasoline in a haze of dust with a slight stench of cigars of WD-40, a chemical that prevents rust. Moving stunts with lots of torque and lots of fun, with gleaming white numbers winning trophies for me and my pride. If you don't ride a motorbike, that's your loss. I just wanted to share my love of motocross. My poem Motocross is about my dirt bike. I was inspired to write about this because I've been riding a Yamaha PB50 for quite some time. I've described this through my imagery. In the line dirty, wet, fun, and racing, I use the words dirty, wet to describe when I would go mudding and get very dirty and wet. I chose to describe WD-40 because I will use it to keep my bike from rusting. The reason I do this is because I'm proud of my bike and I don't want it to break down. The words I've chosen in my poem were chosen to help you imagine my dirt bike as something a lot more complicated than a machine. I hope that inspires you to see a lot of fun the next time you see a dirt bike.
My grandpa loved fishing. Me and him went before. I caught a fish with him. I love fishing with him. I have hanged out with him a lot. Bye. My poem is about me and my grandpa. I was inspired to write about my grandpa and me because me and him love fishing. I have this through my word in the line. My grandpa loves fishing because he loves fishing. I used the word fishing to describe my grandpa loves fishing. I put that because he loves fishing. I chose to describe my grandpa and me love fishing. The word I have in my poem were chosen to help you imagine my poem about me and my grandpa fishing at a lake. The picture who I have chosen shows me and my grandpa fishing out in a lake. And bye.
Black night in the night, riding on your black horse. You hide in the shadows of the night, and I saw you in the night. Then you ran, and now I dream of you every night. My poem, Black Night, is about my dog Eve. I was inspired to write about my black dog. My dog, because she's black. So I thought I would make a poem about a black night. In the line, I saw you in the night. I used the words, I saw you in the night. It was inspired by when I was going outside to get Eve at night, and it was hard to see her, but she was behind the pool. In conclusion, I would like to thank you for your attention.